Hey everyone, tonight I'm making meatloaf. I'm starting out with a pound and a half of ground beef and season it with some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. This is one of my husband's favorite meals, so I make it often. It's really easy and it doesn't take a lot of hands-on time. Then I add some breadcrumbs and some milk. Add an egg and mix it up. You don't have to use your hands, but it's a lot easier. I forgot to add the Worcestershire sauce, so I'm adding it now. Normally you would add it in with all the other ingredients and then mix it up. You can leave it out if you want, but I like using it because it gives it a more meaty flavor. So I grabbed the baking dish and I'm molding the meatloaf.
A few moments later.
Yep, that just happened. My phone fell in the sink. So now that we've molded the meatloaf, I'm gonna put it in the oven at 375 for about an hour. My husband is making the sauce that he learned from his grandmother, and it's made with brown sugar, water, mustard, ketchup, and you stir it up real good, and that's it. I eat mine with gravy because I don't like ketchup, so I don't eat the sauce.